Hello everyone, welcome to this video. The AI tools ChatGPT and Google Gemini are very much useful in improving our creativity and productivity. So there is a huge demand for learning them. Okay, so I created a recorded course for teaching ChatGPT and Google Gemini, and I published that course into Udemy platform, as well as I am selling that course from my website www.rajamanikam.com using Gumroad. Recently, I ran free discount offer at Udemy. 1,000 people enrolled it within few days. So I understand that there is a huge demand, but at Udemy I cannot offer more than 1,000 free discounts. Okay, so now I decided to run a free offer at my website. So I created a tweet. Okay, you can find the link in the description of this video. You need to just retweet that tweet, and then you can contact me to get the free course at my website. Okay, so it's a very simple process, and this course is in high demand and it's really useful, and you can refer this to your friends also. Apart from that, if you want to earn money from that, just contact me. I will add you as an affiliate so that you can earn 50% commission. Okay, and if you don't want to do this, involve in this free offer, you can use the discount code QPT for buying that course with a huge discount offer. Okay, thanks.